So I'm in the process of trying to whiten my teeth, and I'll actually bring you in closer. So this kit was actually gifted to me from the brand, and it's always okay, my opinion, a little too close. So I actually have a veneer, so I'm in the process of getting a new one. And in the process too, I would like to whiten my teeth to get them the best looking they are before I get them. So this was actually gifted to me from the brand, and it's always okay, my ask you. So what you're gonna get is you're gonna get the LED light. You're gonna get 3 pens. You're also going to get the color chart, and you're going to get the instructions. So what you're going to do is you're going to untap the pen, which too, it also suggests too, you keep it in the fridge in a cool, dry place. So it said you can and you should keep it in the fridge. So you're going to paint. You're going to click it up till product comes out, and then you're going to want to do it on all your teeth. And I would suggest doing it like as far back as like right before your molars, because you don't want to smile and you have darker teeth in the back. You do want to get the bottom, and then you're going to take this, and you're going to find too that there's a bunch of different types of cords, of ends to this. So this is a pretty good cord, and this just has this adapter on here. So I'm just going to use, it says you can use a phone. I tried my power bank. It didn't like it so much, but I'm going to just use my phone. You're going to put it in your mouth and then plug it in. So let's. So you're going to leave it in for 30 minutes, and that's really going to help work the whitening gel. So you can find too that this is flexible, and I do have a smaller mouth. I am 4'11", so I'm a smaller person, so this will fit most mouth sizes. This is comfortable for me to wear, and you're wearing it for 30 minutes. So that's when you want to like be watching TV, relaxing, doing that sort of thing. So if you're looking for a way to whiten your teeth, definitely check this out.